Hello everyone, I'm Dr.Namitha Rao, working as a consultant physician and diabetologist at Nano Hospital, Bangalore. A diabetic should always carry some form of glucose with them, such as glucose powder, chocolates, which will immediately raise the blood sugar levels in case it drops down. So every diabetic patient should be aware of hypoglycemia symptoms, that is a low sugar symptoms, and must immediately take some form of glucose in the form of glucose powder in order to raise the blood sugar levels. So in addition to this, diabetic patients can also carry basic dressing kit in the form of band-aids. So in case the patient acquires some form of a wound or cut, he must immediately clean the area with soap and water, sterilize the area and seal it with a band-aid in order to avoid any further complications such as infections.